Honorable member for Hamilton East, Stony Creek.
Mr. Speaker, November 25th marked the anniversary of the modern contemporary statehood of Bosnia and Herzegovina. In Hamilton, we have over 100 ethno-cultural groups and languages, making it one of our nation's most diverse cities. And among these are families who originated in Bosnia-Herzegovina. I had the pleasure of traveling through much of that country on 2 occasions, and Mr. Speaker, I have no hesitation in recommending it for those who seek something truly unique but absolutely welcoming in the way of a travel destination. The names of the cities may not be familiar, but I can assure you that places like Mostar, Zenica, Jajce, and of course the great and well-known capital Sarajevo will stay in your memory should you ever pay them a visit. Their history goes back centuries as a meeting place for different civilizations and cultures, which accounts in part for the amazing breadth of its art, music, literature, and of course, cuisine. Živeo Bosna Hercegovina!